Happy Independence, everyone. I will show you the place. We are now at Lubok River. We're going to the floating restaurant here in Luay, Bohol. Ayan guys. So, yan yung bridge. And then now we're walking to the reception area, which is we have to buy the ticket first before you enter the floating resto. Ayan. So, it's a buffet, guys. Eat all you can. Ayan. While entering the floating restaurant, check nila yung ticket mo. And then now you can choose your seat. At the same time, you can eat also, and then you can choose your food, anything you like, your favorite fruits, vegetables, and whatsoever. Ayan, nandyan lahat yung mga pagkaing Pilipino na gustong-gusto mo. Ayan. So, this is the buffet, guys. Then, while eating your food, ito yung makikita mo mga view. Because you're now in the floating resto, you can enjoy the river. And that's it. I think that's it. And did you know, guys, this is the tourist attraction, one of the tourist attraction in Bohol, the floating restaurant and the paddleboard. And ito yung mga last spot dito, guys, is you can join, you can dance, you can do the fire whatsoever you like, and then that's it. Take a pictures, and then you can donate whatsoever, how much you can give, and then that's it. Then turn around, we have to go back to where we start, and that's the tribe house, tribo, guys, no? Napo na tribo this Bohol, guys. Ayan, diba ang ganda? Super smooth ng water. Diba? Galing. And at the same time po, guys, while you are enjoying the view, napo diri ang mga banda. Ang gaganda ng mga music na tinutugtog nila. Ayan, guys. Dumating na po tayo. It's just like 1 hour travel. And then, so, tapos na yung food mo. Ayan, oh. Then you can take a pictures. So, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. We'll see you.